Never learn how to plaster with your wife.
That has to be thick so you can share.
It's not thick enough, I need more.
Yeah, and then slide it up and then press it flat as you go along.
Actually, we work really well as a team, and we renovated happily ever after.
First time plastering, and that's the results. Dad, how are you feeling about this renovation?
Wow. Look at that.
I am feeling excited. And I can't wait to see the end result.
Let me see the bathroom first.
See the bathroom first. Oh my god.
Holy this actually looks amazing. Oh no. Now all I got to do is pull the socket back into towards the room, and then it should fit snug with the back box. Make sure you have a bit of weight on the other side or whatever. Just keep in mind when these two parts become separate, one might fall the other way. Let's put this up here. Okay. Nice and clean. So when I put this third piece over here, when I put the third piece over here, I'll just trim up exactly what I don't need. Now the studs are put on the wall and the board is cut over here. Let's attach the board to the wall. Hold that for just this. Now what I'm trying to do, without water, I'm trying to flatten out the surface on the wall so it's easier for the second coat. I've got to apply a bit of pressure on this because plaster is hard. Got to keep the trowel close to the wall so it's a shallow depth. Like for example, don't leave it like that, that'll take off plaster, do it flat. Okay, it's time for the second coat. Second coat's got to be a lot more runny. and it's also thinner. Done it. That is really flat. These are all just little marks and stuff that it's drying itself. For example, see, if I do that slightly, it smears it a little bit, but it is amazing. Our first time plastering, and that's the results. Convenient appearance. Contact with the adhesive on the back. Okay, packed out those deep ends, and now we're going to just fit it up before we then do a multi-finish finish on it. Okay, start PVing the ceiling. That's where it's up to at the moment. So essentially half the room is done there, if you can look at it. Or more than half the room actually, just that part there. One day after plastering this wall, and it's still going off, whereas this other wall behind me went off pretty much the next day, and it was pretty much like how it looks. So yeah, that blue grit stuff that I tried is great, but you have to put very, very thick depth of plaster to kind of get rid of these grains. But the new tub I might get might be some other type of mix, so stay tuned and I'll show you what mix I use. I'm way too tired. I'm gonna relax on the couch and let Lizelle do the rest of the work. It's raining outside as well. Great weather. Okay, mixed up some more plaster. Gonna do that wall over there. So we're putting a bit of a plaster on the actual hawk here, just so like when we apply the plaster it doesn't slip off or anything like that. And we'll begin. Good stuff. And then we can just basically, as it's hardening, we can flatten it out. Time now. Our first time plastering, and that's the results. Dad, how are you feeling about this renovation?
I am feeling excited and I can't wait to see the end result.